What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm going to learn how to use the magic layers on Canva, all into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Canva homepage. Okay, you must go to the homepage and you're going to be able to find into the options right here next to presentations the new magic layer. It gonna goes to the edit image, but in most of the Canva accounts it's not there yet, so you need to go from home, click on select media. Let's choose a media. I'm gonna upload one. This feature gonna let you to turn image into ready to edit layers. Okay, for example, imagine that I would like to change the pencil out of this image and move it next to the keyboard or into another part of the paper. No problem. All I have to do is click on the image, let the magic layer happen. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes, and while we wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and do a comment for me in the case that you like Canva and use it on your design. You're gonna select every single layer. All you have to do is type ask on your keyboard to unselect or click out, and you can play with the mouse position. You can change the pencil position just like this, and even change the flower position or the keyboard position just like this. Simple, right? And after having the image in the way that you want, you can hit the share button into the upper right corner of your screen and download the new image, or keep changing the image positions according to what you need. Okay, all up to you. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.